I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
Hey guys, so it is 6:15 on Saturday, January 7th, and today I'm gonna get ready to do the bike. So it is 7:04, and these are my rings, and we've got 3,474 steps and 1.52 miles. You guys, do you see this? Oh my god. First snowstorm in like what, 700 days? We woke up to snow. Also, I stand corrected. We did have 1 or 2 snow days. It was last year, right?
Yeah, it was never bad.
Yeah, but this is like the first like real one in a long time. Oh my god. Wow. Come on, Manny.
She's only out for 5 minutes.
Come on. Sully only came out here with me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Woo! Oh my god, it's still coming down.
Coming down a pretty good clip.
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
Enough?
Turn this way a little bit. Or you can't. Get it, Sal.
Do I have my phone? Oh, I don't have my phone. I was gonna
Get it, Sully. Yay!
So he's looking for a place to poop.
Yeah.
But his butt's not gonna get cold. Guy, fight right there.
Go.
Oh no, I'll just tinkle.
So, I'm having my emergency drink. And, this is like the first, like, real big snow in like 700 days, because like last year we only had like a little bit of like a little bit of snow. Actually, it was one of the days that I wasn't feeling well, and I had to go get checked out for all that baclofen stuff and, you know, UTIs and whatever. But anyway, and they just called it, just now, they just called it heart attack snow. So everybody who's experiencing it today, please be careful. But yeah, just gonna be a chill day. I have Zumba here in a little bit, but I'm probably just gonna chill and watch a movie or something. So it is 9:45, and unfortunately my iPad's being a little funky. That's supposed to show my face. Why is it frozen like that? So weird. And we did reset the iPad last night. Like, we Like, I had to put all my passwords in again, but like, it's not like it used to be where it says reset to like factory settings, but whatever. Anyway, yeah. But I'm gonna just sit here on this frozen screen, and hopefully when my teacher comes, it'll open, and then I'm gonna read my book now. So I just finished online Zumba, and she kicked my butt today. So these are now my rings. I'm officially done working out today, and I'll just finish whatever's left by just doing my daily activities. 6,000 steps on a snow day isn't bad. I'll take it. Did you go in the snow? Zoe, did you go in the snow? Oh. So this is the snow view from our backyard. This was earlier this afternoon. You can see the pool is covered and literally everything is covered. And now it is like 5:10 p.m. p.m. And here I am. I'm having some cucumbers with a little bit of honey mustard, and it's really good because it's like a little bit of sweet but like sour kind of. I did not sleep that whole time since the snow clip. I just slept a little bit, and then when I got up, it was like time to do my evening routine, like, you know, shower and stuff. And so here I am. I have, what is this show even called? I have about 1.5 episodes left of My Life with the Walter Boys on Netflix. Very good, lots of love triangles, kind of like messy, I guess you could say, but it's very good. And I'm gonna finish this and see what the rest of the night brings. Well, that ended on quite the cliffhanger, but now it is, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:25 p.m.
It's 7:25, and I'm gonna roll down to my room. Hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.